Hello students, good morning. And look at this picture. This is a solid waste. Solid waste is polluting our planet. One reason is the exaggerated use of solid waste during the pandemic, and only 9% is recycled. Now students, think of these questions. What recyclable materials do we have at home? Could we turn them into other useful things? What steps should we follow to create recycled things? Welcome students for our English class level A2. The number of the week is 25 and the topic Let's manage solid waste. We start with the vocabulary. Pay attention. Fold, glue, cane, piggy bank, roll, sequence words, tie knot, torn. Activity number 1. Let's recycle. Look at the picture. What can you see? Yeah, a pelican. You can see a pelican, a deaf pelican. Inside its body, can you see a waste solid that causes it deaf? And also, look at this picture. Many fishes and birds died because the seas are polluted. Goes to the activity. Answer this question choosing the correct option or options. Question 1. What do you see in the picture? Life, death, or other option? Death. How do you feel about the pictures? Worried, sad, or other option? Yes, all the possible answers are worried, sad, or maybe other feelings like melancholic, depressed, or maybe being down. Question 3. How could you change the situation in the picture? A. Do nothing. B. Raise awareness. C. Burn garbage. D. Recycle. Yes, two possible answers. Raise awareness and recycle. Listen and read. Okay, pay attention.
The textile industry causes much of the air and water pollution on the planet. The clothing industry is the world's second largest polluter. Only the oil industry is more contaminating. One thing we can do is look for ways to repurpose old clothing. We can recycle old clothes and transform them into something that is both useful and helpful for the planet. Remember, change starts at home. Today, we are going to make a bag from an old t-shirt. Look at these instructions.
How to make a bag with an old t-shirt. For this project, you only need two things, an old t-shirt and scissors. T-shirt, scissors. To make our new bag, follow these steps. 1. First, cut the sleeves and the neck of the t-shirt with your scissors. 2. Then, turn the t-shirt inside out. 3. After that, cut small strips at the bottom of the t-shirt. The strips should be between 5 and 10 centimeters long. 4. Finally, tie the strips together to create the bottom of the bag. Tie them very tight. Now, turn it inside out and that's it. You have a new bag you can take to the market and use instead of plastic bags. This is a great way to recycle old clothes and take care of our planet.
Yes, this is the part of your homework. Exercise number 1, match the action with a picture. Next, exercise number 2, a listening comprehension activity. And finally, activity number 2, do it yourself. Create a list of recyclable materials and suggest things you can make from them. Okay, pay attention with the steps. Step number 1, look around your house and identify materials you can recycle. In my case, I consider newspaper, CDs, yogurt bottles, milk can, cups, and rope. Step number 2, classify the materials in 3 groups. Group 1, materials we use and throw away every day. For example, plastic bags. For my case, consider newspaper and milk can. Group number 2, materials we use and sometimes throw away. For example, cardboard boxes. In my case, yogurt bottles and cups. In the group number 3, materials we use and occasionally throw away. For example, glass bottles and CD-ROM. When you finish with the step number 2, go to the step number 3. Brainstorm ideas of new objects you can make, especially from materials we use and throw away. For example, using all of these materials, I can make a bench or pencil or pen organizer. When you finish your evidence, you have to consider 2 characteristics. Number 1, your list includes at least 2 recyclable materials for each groups. Okay? 2 materials. And characteristic number 2, your list includes at least 4 creative ideas on what you can make from or using the recyclable material. Okay, I give you one example. Recycle, this is my title. I consider my charge, and in the group number 1, I think I use 4 materials: plastic bottles, magazine, color paper, and plastic bags. In the second group, I consider 3 materials: cup, newspaper, and can. And finally, in the third group, I consider 3 materials: paint, cardboard can, glass bottles. Okay? Using all of these materials, I can make new objects such as piggy bank, coaster, and pencil organizer. Pencil or pen organizer. Okay, students? And that's all for this week. Okay, take care a lot and see you on Friday. Goodbye.